Well, alright. Well, I'm out here right now in this hot weather. And actually it's been kind of crazy with the thunderstorms lately over here, but I had taken some time off and went on a little vacation down at the coast and spent it with the family, stayed with the in-laws down at their cabin. I'll tell you what, that was a great time, real great time. And I took my Star Spangle kettle out there. Oh yeah, I took it out there. It did a fantastic job with the rotisserie kit. Beautiful birds. Yeah, did some saltwater fishing. Now that was awesome. That was awesome. Caught some sand trout, croaker, and a hardhead catfish. Tell you what, those hardhead catfish were everywhere. They're just biting. But it was pretty fun. It was pretty fun. But I'm here, back. Yep. It's time to grill. I'm ready to grill. So I got me some inside skirt steak. It's gonna be delicious. And I'm ready for that right there. To I haven't eaten that in a while. Yeah, it has been a while. Oh, it's hot right now. And I got me some Flanken style ribs, so I'm gonna grill those up. Season both with salt and pepper. That's it. That's all we need. That's all we need. But you know what? Once that Kingsford's done, let's grill. It's gonna be hot. Oh yeah. Just like that. Let's get it hot. Here it is. Delicious. I'm gonna wait on the inside skirt steak for a bit, let these grill. But yeah, beautiful. Get a close up. That's grilling right there. Look at that, just grilling. That old country barbecue pits tabletop grill. And I just love it. All right, it says we're over 400. Man, they coming out good. Get close up. So it's all about just grilling. Go out and grill after you see this, of course. Yeah. Oh yeah. beautiful, beautiful. All right, next, inside skirt steak. All right, here's the meat. Push you a little towards the back, just make a little more room. Yeah, won't you just love it? Oh yeah. All right, I gotta take a picture of this. Look at all that meat. Oh yeah. All right, so I'm gonna close it up and continue on. All right, let's check it. Looking good. What do you think? Is this cooking or what? Man, I'm so hungry. Aren't you? Okay. Man, look at it work. All right, let's continue on. We're not done. All right, let's get you some more of that grill action. Tell you what, they are coming out great. The fajitas, they're almost done. Sorry, the Flanken style ribs, they're almost done. And I am so hungry. So what do you think? What do you think, boys and girls? Is this delicious? Yep. Alright, so we're almost there. Almost to the finish line. Alright. Well, fajitas, they're done. So I'm going to take them off and let them rest. And then they're almost done. They're getting there. They'll get there. They look beautiful and they're going to taste delicious. We'll see. We'll see. But yeah, so let that rest. And then this will continue on for a bit more. Alright, they're ready to come off. Get over here. Oh man, they smell so good, so good. I just want to bite into it right now and burn my damn mouth. But yeah, you gotta give it up to this Old Country Barbecue Pits tabletop grill. Did a fantastic job, as always. it produced all this delicious meat. Oh man, I'm ready to eat. So I'm gonna let them rest, and then I'm gonna slice into it, and I'm gonna bite into it. All right, you can see it's still going. I had the vents closed, but because of the metal it's made out of, it still keep going and going. But I'm ready. Oh man, it smells so good. Mm-mm-mm. Oh, delicious. All right, next. It's a little hot still, but I let it rest for a bit still. Oh my God. This is the, oh, yep. Oh, yeah, that's so good. I'm sorry to eat in front of you, but I had to. Oh, yeah. Bomb. Yeah, it just was a nice cook. Just grilling out here. I only had one, enough time just to drink one, but hey, one is one, right? Well, yeah, got the Kingsford, poured it in there, and then let it do its thing and grilled it. Mm-mm-mm. So, go out there and grill. Just go. I give you permission. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm. Well, I gotta end it because I gotta go inside. I got this to eat. So, as always, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching. Smoke on, everyone. That is delicious. I'll see you.